to those of you returning from our executive club and those of you joining from our One World Alliance partners. I am being joined today in the cabin by a fantastic team of 3 cabin crew members. Working alongside me in Club Europe, you've got the lovely Simone, and in Euro Traveler, you've got the lovely Chrissy and Sarah. May I remind you to keep your seatbelts fastened whenever you are seated. It must be securely fastened when the seatbelt sign is on. When opening overhead lockers, please take care as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. As a reminder, smoking and the use of electronic cigarettes and vaping is not permitted at any time whilst on board. This includes the toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors. To connect and join the BA Wi-Fi network, visit shop.ba.com to discover the packages available. All phones should be placed to silent to avoid disturbing other customers, and please know that video and phone calls are not permitted. In-seat power is available within your seat area and will be ready for you once the seatbelt signs are switched off. We are about to start our onboard service. If you have a food allergy or would like information on specific allergens on today's flight, please contact any member of the crew. For those of you seated in Club Europe, we will be offering you a choice of meal and drinks from the bar. In Euro Traveler, we will be offering you a complimentary bottle of water and a snack. This will then be followed by our speedbreak cafe service, and pre-purchase items will be served first, followed by the on-board purchases. If you would like to purchase from a selection of speedbreak cafe items on today's flight, please connect to BA Wi-Fi and visit shop.ba.com. We kindly ask you to have your preferred method of payment ready in advance, and please know that we do not accept cash as a payment. As part of our BA Better World initiative, you can now purchase a contribution to carbon offsets for £2.50 or donate to our charity partnership Line Start. If there is anything that my team or I can do to make your journey more comfortable, please let one of us know. We invite you now to make yourself at home and enjoy our British Airways hospitality. Thank you and welcome back on board. Heathrow Terminal 5, the home of British Airways. The time here is 9:30 in the morning. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your printed electronic devices. When it is safe to do so, please take care when opening overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. If your journey ends here at Heathrow, please follow the yellow signs for arrivals. If you are connecting on to another flight from Heathrow today, please check the information screens for your departing gate number. If this is not yet displayed, please follow the purple signs to flight connections all terminals.